After years of working with B2B companies, I see a lot of the same issues. Things are on the surface going well, then there's always small issues and challenges, but often those challenges are symptoms of a deeper problem within the systems. And the problem is when you try and just fix them locally, a new bit of software here, new person there, change of procedure here, that adds layers on and further complicates and fragments the system. And it's common in good companies, particularly in fast-growing companies. And the reason is, as you grow, you find quick solutions to problems. You layer things on because that's what needed at the time, and that's what works. But over time, that layering creates a fragmentation where the company becomes complex enough that no one person can fully see and understand it. And like I said, it all works on the surface, but those niggling issues come up, and the more they come up, the more it reveals underlying system problems. And if you just try to fix some of those issues locally, you're being reactive and potentially increasing that fragmentation of the system.